Sit down straight. Good morning, sir.
Thank you, Lakshmi ma'am, and hello everyone. Put some clap for Lakshmi ma'am.
Aha! Grooming. Take care of your skin health, diet. You have to be prim and proper. Hair से लेके shoes तक, it should be proper. CV simple looking होनी चाहिए. Highlight important areas. Grab the employer's attention with an interest or personal statement. Check, check, check again. Grammar mistake. Proofread. Keep it short. Create a favorable first impression. Be confident. Make eye contact and smile at them. Be comfortable in that situation. डरने की जरूरत नहीं है.
There are going to be multiple job options. Manpower for flights, for hotels, for tourism, for travel companies. The international borders are already opening up now. Airlines are already working on full capacity now. You can work as a ground staff, check-in staff. You can work in hotel, front office, banquet and event expert, conference expert. Travel and tourism gives you equally good options and equally good benefits.
CV, grooming, unique introduction, communication skill, ये सब हम सीखेंगे in the inner circle meet next time. Thank you so much students for joining us today.